Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I did these Valentine's Day nails. Overall, I think they turned out super cute, and I got all of the things to do this off of Amazon, so I will link them all down below with my affiliate links. But yeah, if you guys want some cute little Valentine's Day nails, then just keep watching this video. So of course, like always, we are starting with the foundation. You always need a base coat when using gel polish. And then, like always, cure your base coat for 60 seconds. Now for the white coat, I'm going to be using this opal polish from Born Pretty. This is the opal gel. And it's like, I don't know, it's like an opal jelly sort of thing. And I did 3 layers of that. I guess I should say 3 thin layers because I didn't want it to be completely opaque. Like, I still wanted you to kind of be able to see through it. So this is 1 and this is 3. But this is also a fake nail. I do have a few fake nails on right now because my nails have been breaking a lot more recently. I have my first layer on. I'm going to cure that for 90 seconds and then I'm going to do that 2 more times. Okay, so even though I accidentally put the opal gel on this finger for some reason, I am actually going to cover that with a white polish. This is $8.94. It's the white Beetles gel polish. Mine is looking rough because I use this color a lot. So you guys may not be able to tell a difference in any of these, but I tested out the chrome powder on 4 different colors. And this one is white, light red, dark red, and black. And I decided that I really liked the white one the best, so that is what I'm going with. We love a good trial run on our nails before we do them. And this one has a fake nail on it because I broke my nail. And then I'm just going to cure those fingers for 90 seconds. Sometimes I really just find it easier to do fingers separately rather than like doing them all at the same time, although had I done them all at the same time I may not have messed them up. So now comes the messy part. This is the red chrome powder. I just got this the other day and I'm loving chrome powders lately, but they are a bit messy. So they come with this little sponge applicator, and you just kind of rub the powder on there. Try not to make a huge mess, but like I tend to make a huge mess. And you don't want to get it on your other nails that, you know, are also still wet because we're doing a design on those ones. I'm not a professional at the chrome powder application, but like, I think I'm doing all right. So then to clean this up, I'm just going to take a damp Q-tip and I'm going to try and like rub off the side. Then to lock in the chrome polish, we're going to cover it with a top coat and cure that for 90 seconds. And I do think it's best to wipe off your top coat on like a paper towel after you do this because it will have some little glittery flakes in it. And then cure. Now it's time for the fun/hard part, which is adding the heart. So I'm actually using the Beetles Gel Polish Art Liner in Crimson, but I'm actually just using it on one of these. I'm not using the liner itself. So taking this dotting tool, which is a large dotting tool, I'm going to place 2 dots, go back in another dip, place a 3rd dot because I personally think that makes it easier. And I only do this 1 finger at a time because I do not want to risk messing it up. And then taking this really skinny little liner brush, I'm just going to pull the polish down until I get a little heart shape. That one may be like the most perfect one I've done yet. I would not say that I've perfected making hearts yet, but I definitely think this is like my best attempt at it so far. Taking the flip side of that large dotting tool, I'm just gonna add some cute little polka dots. because I think that makes it look cuter. And then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. This may not be the most efficient way to do your nails. Best way I can think to get my nails to look as professionally done as possible. And then we're just going to repeat that on these next 2 nails. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Yes, you can. I got a hair stuck in this, so I take these little tiny tweezers. Come on. Get that little tiny hair out without messing up your nails. I highly recommend getting little itty bitty tiny tweezers. The pinky is definitely one of the hardest nails for me to work on. So I hope you guys caught those little tricks that I used to try and clean things up. Then we're just gonna add a top coat to these 3 white nails and we're done. I will link all of this stuff down below for you guys. I got all of this stuff on Amazon. I get basically all of my nail stuff on Amazon. Alright, so my nails are done, and now for my personal favorite part, which is adding the nail oil. This just rehydrates your cuticles after everything you just did to them, which includes dehydrating them. And honestly, this nail, oh god, I look so weird doing that. And honestly, this nail oil just smells so good, and it just reminds me of having a fresh set of nails. Alright, so that is all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. If you wanted to see some cute Valentine's Day nail inspo, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I would greatly appreciate that. Also, make sure to check out my nail Instagram account. I will put it right here so you guys can check that out. It'll also be linked down below. I post new videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!